So in this episode I'm going to focus on this. As you can see here, there is a hand movement involved in climbing. So I'm going to try some animations to get that hand movement and combine them with the IK system like this. And this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Alright, so today I want to work on the animations of this ledge hanging point transition, and also this when I go onto the top side of the ledge part. So that's still buggy and I want to work on that. Let's first add some animation to this part. So when I press space again, my character just move to the next ledge without any proper animation. Let's see. That happens here. Yeah, and I'll play animation montage here. In the last episode, another 2 episodes before, I imported some animation. I think, is it this one? Yeah, shall we see what happens if I use this animation montage? Right. That's odd. Yeah, that's definitely odd. I think I should use only a part of it. Let's duplicate this, and instead of playing the whole animation, no, let's see if we have a different animation for that in Mixamo. We have this animation. But there is some movement here. Alright, let's download this and see. And using the Blender plugin, I'll set up the root motion. Right, now let's import this animation to our project. I don't need the mesh, only the animation. Alright, this is the animation. And do I need to enable root motion here? Let's first see this, how this turns out, and then let's look into that. Okay. That's a little bit odd. Maybe I need to enable root motion. Right, let's see. No, that's not going to work. Well, I think either I have to create a proper animation to match with this, but I don't know how to create animation, so therefore I'll do another trick. I'll try. So here, instead of changing the eye case at this point to match with the new ledge, new knob, I think I'll do it like this. Let's move this part here. And let's see what happens. Okay, that's much better actually. But I think I should smooth out this hand movement. So therefore, yeah, let's do it like this. I'll change this and move it to the original position. Then let's go to the animation blueprint. And here, yeah, this part. Instead of directly setting these, I love them like this. This is A and this is B. Move it right there. I try point 0.01 and I'll do the same here. Alright, let's see what happens. Well, not exactly what I expected. Yeah, maybe that's because of the initial values of the RH and LH. So I think I'll set here at the initialize animations. I'll set RH and LH like this. For the location, I'll just use we can use this instead of hips. I don't think that would really matter, so I'll just use the hip location so that the lerping would be easier. It would take less time at the beginning. Wait a minute. Where do I set them? Alright, I have interchanged them. This is RH, so it should have the right knob here. left knob should go here and right knob should go here. Let's try point 1. Alright, so that has been a mistake actually, because yeah, because of that mistake because I have mistakenly used right knob for the LH and left knob for the RH. So therefore I need to change these again. RH, LH. Luckily I have only two knobs. That need to change. Alright, let's see. No, that's not good enough. Shall we speed up this? I think I still need to add some delay to this point, because here I have, yeah, here I have point 2. So maybe I should start changing the hand locations in the middle of this. So let's do it like this. Let's add a sequence here. First one should go like this, and the next one here, but with a delay. So let's add a delay of 0.1 seconds. Alright, that's good. And still the initial blurb is too slow, but that's better than what we had before. Alright, now I think I should also add some IK to the legs as well, because in that way this animation would look more better, because the legs will stay in the same position while my body of the character move upward. But at the moment the legs just drag upward. That's not realistic. It doesn't show the effort that I have taken into move my body upward. And yeah, I think I'll do that in the next episode. And after that, finally, climbing onto this ledge part. And yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. So depending on the tier you join, you will have different privileges, and also I'll soon upload a source code update as well. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Alright.